Right, hello, welcome back everyone. Back in the polytunnel. Today we're going to be having a look at getting this hopefully sandblasted, this head and barrel, and we're going to give it a bit of a treatment with this higher temp paint. So hopefully that will give that a nice finish. But also I received this today in the post off my Amazon wish list, and it's a 419 piece O-ring pack, but there was no note in there, so I don't know actually who this has come from. So whoever sent it, thank you very much, really appreciate it. These O-rings are going to come in really handy with all my future projects, so I'd just like to say thank you very much. You know who you are, and also just leave your name in the comments down below, and I'll say thank you in the next video. So I've also been doing a few other little things, and as you can see I've refurbished the shock now. Just been doing a few little things behind the scenes, but what we're going to do now is head into the log cabin and get this all taped up where we need, because we don't want to be sandblasting in all the port and all that, so we need to get all this taped up. So let's go in there, get this all prepped up ready, and then we'll get it in the sandblaster. Right, so as you can see we're in the log cabin now, and I've taped up all that I need to tape up to stop any grit getting where it shouldn't be getting. So what we're going to do now is we head over to the sandblaster. I've cleaned it down as well, so we can put that straight in the sandblaster. I didn't realise I'd already sandblasted that already, so that's already prepped. That'll just get a bit of a wipe down with some acetone, and then we'll get all this in a bit of heat-proof paint. So, and what I'll probably do is I might cook it off in the little oven as well. So let's get to the sandblaster. Right, so as you can see, I've sandblasted it all. It's all taped up to where we don't want to get any paint, and it's all been acetoned, and you can see everything's masked as it needs to be. So what we're going to do now is we'll give it a couple of coats of this heat-proof paint, and I'll put you on a little bit of time lapse for that. Right then, as you can see, I'm putting them in the oven now to cook. It says on the tin up to about 160 degrees for 30 minutes, so I'm just going to leave them in there for now. I did give them 3 coats, so let's just leave them in there to cook off. Right, and as you can see there, I've put the rear swinging arm on and the rear shock while we were just waiting for that head and barrel to cure in the oven. So I just thought I'd come out and do a little bit on here, so it's upright at least anyway. So let's go and take a look at the cylinder and barrel. Right, and as you can see there, that's still hot. I will, once it's fully dried off, I will clean all these ways out again, just so I'm 100% sure there's no grit in there from the sandblaster. But yeah, this is another little piece of the puzzle done. So what I am going to do now is I'm going to leave it here for this little video. So a bit of sandblasting and painting, and a little bit on the old bike frame as well. So, and also remember, if you haven't also checked out my Amazon wish list, I say someone did send me the O-rings and I really appreciate that. Just say drop your name down below, I can thank you in the next video. But until then, we'll see you about.